Hey everyone, so I wanted to share with you today a great tool that is used for Instagram. So anyone on Instagram, I recommend this. You know how on Instagram you just have that, like in your phone bio, you just have that one link that you can add into your profile, and that is the bio link. So one link is not very useful. A lot of times we then ask ourselves which one would be better, but sometimes you would love to refer them to your YouTube channel, sometimes to your Facebook website, sometimes to website, sometimes to landing page, and it just gets all of these ideas, and you just have that one link that is always there. And to make it relevant, I've tried like under the photos to try to put in the link, but as you know, maybe on Instagram, when you put under the post, under the photo, when you put a link, it doesn't work. So that person would literally have to copy that link and then paste it into his browser, and then it would work, which is too many steps right there. So what I found out from some of the other members in the SFM is the Linktree. Now, the Linktree is an app. It is for free. You just go here on this website, you sign up with your Instagram. We are already signed in. You just click here and you come here. So this app, this website allows you to have one link with many different buttons. So you can have that one link, and then when they click on that link, it shows them the site. And they can then choose access free videos, check your website, like us on Facebook, or subscribe to us on YouTube. And you can add or shut down or delete any of these however you want. You can move them around. You then just write which button it is and which link it is. It's simple. So I'll add one here for demonstration. So you just click add new button, and then let's say Pinterest. If in any case we will ever have Pinterest, here it is. And then I would just add a link, something, you know. I just go on that profile and copy the link, insert it in here, and it's working. And basically then you can actually move it around, you can shut it down so that it doesn't work, you can also delete it. Now, interesting enough, we've added this option to our Instagram account just a week ago, and you can already see, like here, if you click, it says that we got four clicks on our access your free video from this link, which is pretty cool. I think that as much as more followers you have, more people are clicking, of course, and it's just a great way for organically to reach people out there. So it's not a lot, but who knows? Maybe if we get like more followers and stuff, it will eventually be even more clicks. So what you then do, you just click this link, you just copy the link and insert it into your Instagram account. Okay. You would, for example, click here, click edit, and like we already have here, you then just edit or copy paste this link, and it is awesome because it shows like this and it's very useful. So yeah, that is one short tutorial of Linktree, which is a pretty good tool. So I will see you in the next video, hopefully sharing some more value for you. Bye guys, thank you.